Alright, today we're going to be working on putting a lid switch in a Whirlpool top load washing machine, direct drive. First you would take the two screws out of the back here, flip it up like this, and then you would get you a screwdriver, pull this funky clip over here, this funky clip over here. That will release your two clips. Your lid switch screws are out here. There's two Phillips screws. You would take those out. I've already taken them out. Put the new lid switch in. Put the two screws back in. That way when the lid comes down, this plunger here will go out on top of your lid switch. And that's the safety, so nobody, when they raise the lid, it'll cut the machine off. When you get it all back together, you just simply put your clips back in place, flip it back over, and that completes your install for today. Thank you for watching.